Réalisation Par's Juliet dress is the dress of the moment, but is this dress really that great? From the frills to the rouge fleur print, this dress has an inherent romance to it. A real lover's vibe. The Juliet is one of Réalisation Par's longer dresses, and the silk crepe gives it a little sway. It has sweet ruffles down the straps and along the corset-esque top. The Juliet has buttons down the front which add a little throwback charm. I took a size small in it. For full sizing details, visit the link in the description. To play off the Juliet's romantic vibes, wear red lipstick with it. Red lipstick with a red dress might be extra, but it looks extra romantic. Having your hair down doesn't look as good as when it's in a bun. When your hair's up, the straps stand out and the dress takes center stage. Because we're going all out with the lipstick and hair, tone down your outfit with a pair of classic beige flats. For more subtlety, grab a simple black clutch. The Juliet dress might be everywhere right now, but it's for a good reason. When you get the right size, it's an effortless pick for a perfect hot summer day or night. You can throw it on and look like your own modern day Juliet. No Romeo required. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more.